All right, now. Press the
Oh, you need to select. Do you go to your selection tool?
I'm sorry. I don't want to trip anybody else.
Oh, down here. Down here. The little guy.
Oh, this.
Yeah, the airplane-looking guy. All right.
Now press him.
Oh.
I love that one.
Lunchtime. Oh, this one. That's it, right?
So do your pen.
Oh.
Click on your pen. Hold down your pen and click pen. All right, now he's good to go.
The music. Music.
Mayday.
He's always happy. Right? Okay, so make a mark here.
Make a little X.
Make an X. Like,
Turn your pen around.
Marie.
Yeah.
How good is this? Now click
Look at
on
that.
him.
So click on your selection tool.
Oh, wait. That's my fault, Maurice.
There you go. Perfect. See, Mindy, you got it. Click in the white area. Yep. There you go. There you go. All right.
Put your fingers up. Show how you do that. Yeah? Push your finger. Say, I did it.
Yay. All right.
Go, Maurice. Valerie.
Leslie can't wait.
Oh. Hi.
All right, Valerie. You got it, Mindy. All right. One more time. You got that little, select it.
Oh, wait 1 second, Valerie.
Go to the start. Yeah, there you go. All right. All right, now pen.
How's this?
Yep, pen.
Oh, the pen.
Pen. There you go. You got it. No, you had it.
Oh, I had
Pen. Yeah. Pen. All right. There you go.
Hey, wait, with Moody. Oh, you want that? Okay. Nah, I'm not getting my way. I'm not getting my way. No.
Good job. All right.
Now hit it.
Selection tool. Selection tool. One time. There you go.
Oh, that's where I'm getting.
Yeah, you got it.
Yes.
Oh.
No.
Yay.
Okay, ready?
Select. Yep. Good job, Valerie. And then you got one more piece. There you go. You see how it takes a box around it. There you go. Now your pen. You got it. Pen. Mindy, you got it. All right. Next.
Okay, what moves, Leslie? You.
Come on, Leslie.
Which one you like? This is like, I had a great day. Can't wait until tomorrow. I had a good day and it went well. This one is that one. Okay, you gotta make an X. Make an X.
Ugly.
All right.
Good job, Leslie. Okay, selection tool. Okay. The other way. Other way.
This way.
Just a click on the black pie. That black area. Oh, it looks like you're still on the selection. Or the pen. Yeah, click on. There you go. All right.
Come here, Anna.
You got it, Leslie. There you go. All right. Woo.
Come on. That's so cool. Guys, you have Letitia's one who took all these classes. I'm telling you. There's no way I'd be doing this, okay? You know this about me, no? What do you think, guys?
Come to the left.